The president of Nigeria Bar Association, Ikeja Branch, Adesina Ogunlana, condemning President Muhammadu Buhari's silence and indecisive action on herdsmen killing, posited that the president's inaction is a valid point for him to be impeached. Adesina, addressing the press, maintained that the silence of the president is his indirect way of approving the killing by Fulani herdsmen, who has been rated as the fourth deadliest terrorist organization in the world. He added that the Buhari administration, by its deliberate failure to act, and is promoting anarchy. Speaking further, he said, "We have seen the federal government display its might and concern for security in certain parts of the country. The question and puzzle now is why the government is quiet in the face of the Fulani herdsmen, which has led to the massacre of thousands of people and displacement of thousands of people from their normal abode." The baffling silence, indifference and very low-key response to the menace of the Fulani herdsmen, who have been rated as the fourth deadliest terrorist organization in the world. This has raised grave allegation of partiality against the federal government and its clear relation to the menace of the Fulani herdsmen, who have become notorious for mass slaughter of Nigeria people. He stated. Adesina stressed that the first responsibility of the government is to guarantee the security of lives and properties of the people, and the inability of President Buhari to do this is enough reason to impeach him. "We are joining hands and crying against the governor that it has not done enough. The chief reason, responsibility and duty of government is to ensure the security of life in its area. I dare say that the failure of the government to rise to the issue is enough ground for the impeachment of the president." Mr. Adesina warned the president that if he fails to find a lasting solution to the killings, the people would be left with no choice than resort to self-defense. Government, where it fails to do its duty, especially where it appears that indolence and ineptitude is deliberate and contrived, people would come to their own rescue, and there would be no sympathy for that kind of a government.